Alright folks, if you're using Hermes Agent and you want to try out a free model, but a very strong model, Qwen 3.6 Plus is now free for a limited time on Nous portal. So you'll need to go to a Nous portal. As you can see here, Qwen 3.6 Plus is now $0 per 1 million token. And in order to use this, you need to create an account on their website here, portal.newsresearch.com, and you need to be a subscriber to use the model. But don't worry, even going for the free plan, you can still have access to Qwen 3.6 Plus. So in this video, we're going to show you how to switch to Qwen 3.6 Plus, and then we'll quickly try out using Qwen 3.6 Plus for Hermes Agent. And I think now would be the best time to use Qwen 3.6 Plus because they are really good at especially code review, system audits. So if you have something wrong going on with your Hermes Agent, or maybe things are going fine, but still you want to make sure that your agent is on tip-top shape, then try out Qwen 3.6 Plus. So first and foremost, remember to update your Hermes Agent first, just by typing Hermes update in terminal. So we've already done that. Now, in order to switch your model, you want to go to Hermes model here, and make sure it's the first one right here, Nous portal. And then we've already switched it, but if you wanna switch it, it's on the list right here, Qwen 3.6 Plus. Now some users report that they don't see Qwen 3.6 Plus here on the list. So if that happens, you just need to go to enter custom model name and put the name here. I don't know exactly which one, but it's either or these. Okay, so now we're gonna test the model. Alright, so you can see Qwen 3.6 Plus, and I think a good question to ask your agent on Qwen 3.6 Plus is definitely do a full system audit of your Hermes Agent. Okay, so that's going. Now remember to go /verbose so you can see the full details of their tool calling, reasoning, etc. Because that's one of the strengths of Qwen 3.6 Plus is they have preserved thinking, so they're able to reason every turn, every tool call they make, and supposedly they'll show you what they're thinking after a series of tool calling, which can be very helpful to understand how they work. So while that's running, another way you can go about, instead of being very general and saying do a full system audit, what you can do, and I think a lot of pros are doing this, is you can go to your Hermes Agent dashboard. Here you have access to the full history of your logs, your agent logs, your error logs, your gateway logs, and there's also different types of levels for those logs, such as debugging, info, warning, error. So you can copy the logs here, especially if something is going wrong with your Hermes Agent, there's like an error going on. You can take that log, copy it, and paste it here for your Hermes Agent to analyze what happened. Okay, so we got, that's actually pretty fast. So full system audit of our VPS. Prompt matches threat pattern, read secrets. Prompts must not contain injection. Oh, so it got blocked today because there was read secrets in the prompts. I thought we have already addressed that. Okay, so this is a security scanner, false positive. Okay, the prompt is a legitimate orchestrator instruction, but the Tirith security scanner is flagging it as a secret reading threat. So another middleman is in conflict with my orchestrator, so that's why my report didn't show on the website. Okay, and we got config notes. I think this is especially important for you guys as well to know what's going on with your config.yaml file. So action items by urgency, fix AI news cron job. Yep, I'm trying to fix that. Maybe just entirely scrap it even. Okay, all right, so far this audit report caught my attention. I'd say Qwen 3.6 Plus can point out a lot of stuff that's happening in the background under the hood with your Hermes Agent compared to I'd say other models. It's kind of too bad we don't get to see the thinking verbose here. We do have it on. Yeah, we do have it on. I've always had it on. Wait, cycle. Okay. So I have to toggle between the 4 options of /verbose. I swear in the last update it was just toggle on and off. So now we're at tool progress, verbose, full args, results, think blocks, and debug logs. What I really want to see is the think blocks of Qwen 3.6 Plus. They're a lot more comprehensive as well compared to other models. So that's what I want to see, and I want you guys to see that too. Okay, so maybe let's expand the scope a bit more here. Let's say go through all of our logs over the past week and give me a report of your findings. Alright, there you go. You see the think blocks. This is what you want to see, and it's kind of an underrated feature, but personally myself, I want to see what they're thinking in between their tool calls. Every model does this, but Qwen 3.6 Plus goes more into detail of their think blocks. So let's see. Yeah, see? It's very helpful to see the think blocks between massive chunks of codes and tool calls. That's a lot of restart attempts in a week. What? Yeah, this is a bit concerning, man. There's like a lot of errors and warnings. So we got the weekly log report. What happened? Gateway starts, exit immediately. Yeah, it has to be the Kanban cron for sure. Because we use the system MD service to keep the gateway alive. So even though the Kanban cron is working and I'm getting my daily reports, it feels like this stresses my system a lot. So I need to really look back at it. I might even, I might even have to scrap my Kanban cron for sure. I'll have to wait until the Hermes Agent team has an update that gives full synergy for Kanban cron jobs. So definitely very insightful to use Qwen 3.6 Plus for really technical stuff for your Hermes agent, more so for reviewing or auditing what's going on with your Hermes agents. Because I mean, I thought my stuff was already really pretty good right now, but no, not really. And this might implode in the future, so I really need to get this fixed ASAP. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. I definitely recommend you guys to try out Qwen 3.6 Plus for free. ASAP, I think in about 3 or 4 weeks from now, it won't be free, and then they'll have another model in the rotation. So I noticed that they do this every month, where you get to try out a model for free, and then it will be, you know, back to paid again, and then the next model that would be free. So I'm actually excited to see also what would the next model be that is free. So yeah, try it out while you can. Subscribe to the channel. My name is Ron. Shana now.